About this item 1. Function. This cable connects your digital camera to a USB supporting computer, USB hub, or photo printer for photo transfer. Mac and PC compatible. Also known as 1. UC-E16 USB cable, 2. UC-E16 USB cable Nikon. This is not compatible with all Panasonic Nikon cameras. Before purchasing, please refer to Figure 2/Figure 3, please check the compatibility list below. Point 2. Compatible with Nikon Digital SLR DSLR D3200, D3300, D5000, D5100, D5200, D5300, D5500, D7100, D7200, D750, DF, Nikon 1S2 1S2, 1V1 1V1, Coolpix P100, P330, P500, P510, P520, P530, P6000, P7000, P7100, P7800, P903. Compatible with Nikon Coolpix A, A10, A100, A300, A100, A110, V500, L100, L110, L120, L23, L27, L28, L29, L30, L31, L32, L320, L330, L340, L620, L810, L820, L830, L8404. Compatible with Nikon Coolpix S01, S02, S1000 PJ, S230, S2800, S2900, S3000, S31, S3100, S32, S3300,